Good morning from Okinawa, Japan, home of OkiSubies. Today, we're going to take you along for a Gymkhana day. It is Golden Week right now, so everything is shut down. We're off on Thursdays normally anyways, but because it's a holiday, they're going to be hosting a Gymkhana event at the multi-field. So it's a brand new track here in Okinawa, so you'll get to see that. And then, yeah, you'll get to see the cars we're running. Kevin's going to be running his rear-wheel drive EZ30 turbocharged Legacy. And then I will be running the Gymkhana car. It's EZ30 swapped. So it's got a 6-cylinder non-turbo engine in it from an older style Legacy. And yeah, full roll cage, seam welded chassis, all that good stuff, front rear LSDs. It's all 5-speed stuff though, so we don't actually know how it's going to hold up, because we've only Gymkhana with 6-speed stuff because we know they can take the abuse. So not that we're trying to break it today, but we might break it. So yeah, we're heading to the yard right now. We had to have the EZ30 car towed to the track simply because we can't drive it on the road. It's not legal. So I'll be tagging behind Kevin in the OkiSubies truck with some jacks and all that good stuff, because Kevin's known to twist and drive shafts. Yee. Just arrived to the yard right now. Kevin's already here. Engine's running, ready to go. That's the EZ30 swap, or EZ30 turboed Legacy rear-wheel drive converted car that we're gonna be running. Just gonna grab a jack and a few things, just in case we break something. Got the old man wishing us good luck. All right, cool. Got everything we need. Jack, got jack stands, coolant, oil. Best oil on the market right here. Wow, wow. Basic toolkit, all the good stuff. About to get real. Da da da. Shoot, son. All right, let's get it. We do Subarus, but this guy does Mazdas. Got that chassis right there too. Check that out. Multi-field was built a few years back, and it's built way back in here with like all the animals. So this is like, we have a field, what's it called, the landfill out here, so the dump. We have a bunch of animals out here, so chicken and cow farms, pig farms, and a lot of industrial places. Anyways, yeah, I'm passing a cow farm right now, but it took a long time to get the permission to build this place simply because of noise pollution. Okinawa or Japan in general, they just don't like noise pollution, so they built it way out here in the sticks. But here we are, multi-field. Our Gymkhana car, the one I'll be driving today, 95 GC8 WRX, full cage, seam welded. I got first set of matching Recaro seats in this car. Pretty sweet. They have this observation deck so you can watch all the cars as an observer. Setting up the track right now. Gymkhana, very technical style of driving. Needing to just pay attention to the course. If you miss track, it's not like you're disqualified, your track time doesn't count. All the sponsors of this place. You might even think, oh, this is pretty small if you're looking at this from America or even mainland. Mainland's got some pretty big tracks too. This is a lot of land, guys. This is a lot of land. Set something up like this, we are truly blessed in Okinawa to have something like this. People are still riding. Got a Type R that came. Blah by STI. Got that DCCD. What's up? Another GC8 WRX. Looks like a version 6. Halfway Subaru. S2K. Right, so they have the track laid out now. It's actually a really simple setup. 4 cones, so it's just a bunch of 180s and figure 8s, 360s. Pretty simple, which I'm kind of grateful for since this is the first time we've taken out the H6 Gymkhana car. Cars that showed up is actually pretty significant. There's a lot of cars, decent amount. So it's a good amount. So it's competitive and it's cool. You can see everybody's driving abilities. Kind of build some camaraderie, if you will. But it's not so many that you're waiting forever to take your turn. Got Kevin over here helping out one of the locals trying to figure out the track. It's his first time. He's the one that owns the black WRX. He's excited. Look at him rocking the OkiSubies shirt. What's up? Yeah. Taking a walk in the track just to get your bearings. It's cool to see it, but it helps to walk the track. Getting real. T-minus 3 minutes. Got 2 courses. We'll have 2 groups of people going at the same time. Kevin's extremely happy.
These cool little things out here. It doesn't matter what you drive. Get on out here. Got your food. Hopefully.
Alright, so first run went terribly. Couldn't get the e-brake to lock up at all. Too much flex in the stretch in the line, in the cable. So we're going to adjust this bad boy. Tighten it up with the wheels off the ground. Put the e-brake down. You can see that there's already a lot of adjustment made right here on that threaded rod. So we'll take and back that off, maybe like half an inch, and then tighten it at the hubs, which I'll show you here soon, and then we can tighten that again to get our desired tightness without jacking the car up again. All right, so we're underneath the car, and this is the back side of the hub, and you can see there's that little oval grommet right there. So we're gonna pop that grommet out, and then you can see the play in the tire going back and forth. So we're gonna make it so that it drags on it. You can feel the drag. There's no drag at all right now. So we're gonna adjust the star washer, the star adjuster that's inside that grommet until it grips. And then we'll go to the other side. Okay, the grommet's off. If you can see, there's little notches in there. That's called the star adjuster, and you just wanna turn it in the direction that will spread the shoes apart so they make contact with the inside of the rotor. So I'm going to turn it right now and adjust it. Alright, so with the star adjuster adjusted, you can kind of like go back and forth. You can see the movement. It's actually pretty stiff. I'm putting a lot of force into making it move. So unfortunately, even with all of the adjustments we did to get the e-brake, the touch, the shoes, and we adjusted and maxed out the one in the cabin too, just can't get the e-brakes to lock up. I have to use both hands and literally take both hands and pull this up just to be able to get it to lock up in a straight line. This is not working out. So we've done the GD, because it's got a GD rear subframe with all the cables. We've done it before, but we just can't get this e-brake to grab lower to the starting point, right? You know, it's like 2 or 3 clicks up. You normally would grab and lock up, but just it comes up like 2 inches past the clicks. It's too far up. So unfortunately, I'm not able to grab with enough leverage to pull it to lock up. Here's another shot from the other side of the track. Got seating all the way around so people can sit down. Got Nissan out there ripping it. They redid the track, the course, so that we can utilize the whole track, which is pretty cool. Alright, so we have Mike from Cars Towing heading this way now. He's going to pick up the car, take it back to OkiSubies. Kevin didn't break anything, thankfully. We brought 2 extra drive shafts just in case it did happen. But he'll be driving back. And I don't know what we're going to do with the Gymkhana car. It just seems this is the day in the life of OkiSubies. You just don't know. Like, it performed so terribly. Engine had great torque. Man, we put bad tires on it so they would be slick and we could roast off 4, and it started off that way, doing really well, but then you want to stop messing around and get serious, and you couldn't because the e-brake wasn't locking up. So we did all the adjusting and all that to no avail. So might take one more crack at it. If it doesn't work out, we'll just throw another EJ20 in it so it can be inspected, registered, and then sell it. Who knows? See what happens. Yay.